Okay, this is my home base in Minecraft. This is my glass tower. And I made a water elevator so that I could more easily get up to the top and down again. Now I have this wooden staircase which goes all the way up. It's kind of a pain to do this, to keep on, turning around. And if you want to go down, you have to kind of, you can sort of take a shortcut by falling down halfway through. But anyway, it's kind of a pain. So I made this water elevator so that I could get up to the top. The way it works is you just walk in and hold down the space bar, and when you do, you swim up to this block of water, and then you jump up to the next one and swim up to the next block, and so on, and keep going up. And there's a space here so I can actually get out at any level, and then go in and then continue up. And each block of water is alternated with an air pocket. So you don't actually have your head underwater the whole time and drown. And going down is simple. You just stand in here, and I'm not holding anything, any buttons down. I'm just letting gravity take me down. And again, you can walk out at any floor and get back in. So yeah, it's not super fast, but it's a very simple design for going straight up and down a tower. I'm just going to get to the bottom here. I'll give you sort of a, there we go. Okay. Now I said that you have to alternate water blocks and air pockets. You make the air pockets by putting a sign here. Now the sign, even though it looks like it's up against the wall here, this actually occupies this entire block. So it keeps the water from flowing down. And I have it up against a wall here, so I put a row of glass blocks in back of it, and then another one on the side. And you could, I guess, make this right into the corner of a tower, so you only have to put these glass blocks on one side of it. One important thing is that when you alternate, you don't want your first water block to be right here at head level, because if you do, let's say you're going down the elevator and you step away from the keyboard. Like if this block here was water, then I would be drowning. But because it's not, yeah, you can walk away and then just, you can stand at the bottom of the elevator is the point without drowning. Now, one thing that I discovered here, kind of by accident, is that you actually don't need this bottom one. So if you want, you can pick up that water. So this gives you sort of like a cleaner look here. Because when you step in here and hold the space bar, you just jump up a little and then hit the first water block, and then you start swimming, and then you just keep on going up from there, like so. And when you swim down, it's not enough of a fall that you can take damage, so you can just walk right out. Now, this is the type of water elevator I have been using prior to that. What I do is I put one block of water at the top and just let it flow down, and then I dig out one space here so that it flows in without flowing over the edge and making a big mess. And then to use it, you just walk into it and push down the space bar and swim up. And as you can see from the air bubbles disappearing there, my head is underwater the whole time, and I come pretty dangerously close to drowning. And of course you can swim down the same way. One way to avoid that is to get right on the edge of it and swim up the outside with your, well, you back up a little bit. Yep, there you go, like that. You can stick your head out as you swim up. But then to get to get in here, you have to put yourself at risk of drowning. So this is why I like the new design I came up with, where you can have alternating air pockets. Okay, so I thought I'd show you how to build it. So I made this mock-up of the corner of a tower or a building with two wooden floors here. And I'll show you how you can build a water elevator right in the corner here. Okay, my glass tower, I built against the wall and not the corner. So in the corner, it's actually a little simpler. You need to have sort of a U shape like this, and this point right here is where the elevator will be. But I decided for this one, instead of using glass blocks, I'm going to use glass panes, which they actually do the exact same thing. They take up this entire block, but they look like they don't, so it actually gives it a more open look. So I'm going to try that. Okay, so the bottom block is going to be open air. Then you have to put one sign here. And you don't have to write anything on it, but I will on the first one. Okay. So, do that. Just gonna do this to get up here. And then glass pane all the way up there. Okay, so that's pretty simple. And then put in our water. Put one there, one there, one there, and I can't reach the top. Okay, let's go up one more. Right up there. Okay, and that is it. You can see it's kind of a simple, clean look right in the corner. All you do is you stand here and hold down the space bar. And that's it. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if this is in a snowy biome, if water is uncovered, then it can freeze. So if you wanted to prevent that from happening, you could just put one additional sign there. And because this, even though you can walk through it, because it's a sign, it does take up this entire block. So this water will not freeze in one of the this, I think it's called Tioga biomes, where the water freezes. So that's it. It's pretty simple and effective. If you want to go down again, you just walk into it and wait, and there you are. There you go. Hope you like that. If that's useful, let me know. I appreciate it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.